Kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy house and lot sa isang exclusive subdivision, maganda ang location along the highway, 24/7 security with roofing guard, with complete amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, ay baka makonsider nyo ang property na to. This is located in a prime location along Aguinaldo Highway in Imus, Cavite. Sa mismong entrance gate ay katapat ng Jollibee Imus Aguinaldo at tabi din siya ng SNR membership shopping near City Mall Anabu and Robinsons Imus. Malapit din sa Daang Hari Extension and Kaalax Access. May isang room sa ground floor na pwedeng gawing maid's room or guest room or para sa mga kasama nating may edad para hindi na umakyat sa taas. Pwede rin siyang gawing office. Ito naman ang door access papuntang service area with free 700 liters water tank. And this is the parking area na kasya ang dalawang sasakyan. By the way, this house is also available in Dasmariñas area along Governor's Drive na malapit sa The Island Park, Dasma and Unitap Mall, Paliparan. If ang hanap mo ay sa area na malapit sa SM Dasmariñas at going SLEX Carmona exit area na, ay mag-PM lang po sa page para sa information. With a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath, may 3 room sa second floor and 1 room sa ground floor. This is the master's bedroom and the door access going to the balcony.